Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 17 March 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 3, number 19, number 27, number 30, number 41, booster number 14, UK 49's tea time prediction first number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction. Join now. UK 49's tea time prediction first number 5, number 16, number 28, number 32, number 45, booster number 26. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe.